Wait. Okay.
What, did you just get a revelation?
Yeah, what were you
Short-term
trying to
thinking.
say?
You know, short people.
Ano po yun?
Short-term thinking. What did she say? What did she say? I missed it. What?
May inisip po kasi si Ken kanina. Anong gusto mo
Is
sabihin?
it comes with age and you get an idea, you need to say it, or you
I'm
What
just
now?
I was just joking with him.
Well, we are so honored that you both are here.
Very short
Tito
memory.
Martin and Pops. The Pops lang wala.
You were not even born.
But did you see them together on stage?
Oh!
Do you even know who Pops is?
Oh
Right,
my
there
God!
we go.
Oh my God! That's so
All right.
famous here in the Philippines.
No, you're absolutely
good.
right. She's the concert queen.
She is.
Yeah.
And the concert king.
There you
Yes,
go.
exactly.
Good thing we have a telephone.
Yes, so again, that is...
That's legend. That's
Oh,
legend.
In your opinion, what's an icon?
Oh, Icon is a very talented man na super... Wala eh, sobrang
All
galing
right.
talaga.
Let's just dance again. Let's
Icon,
just...
walang katumbas.
Yan.
Yeah, di ba?
Yun.
Oo.
Andito na sila eh. Ayan o, super
Eh, kung-
talented.
Hindi, ganyan lang, ganyan. Yan.
Ayusin mo, ayusin mo muna.
I mean, you know what? I think icon.
Is the opposite of
Icon.
iconaut.
Yeah.
Ah.
You know who
Grabe.
Marvin Querido is?
Oh my God,
Oh my
actually,
God.
yes!
Yes.
Grabe, ang daming shows for February.